Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites and opening the battery screen. Make sure your phone is charged above 20% to avoid interruptions, and enable Wi-Fi so apps can sync. Now, go to Settings, tap Battery and Device Care, then Battery. Once there, you'll see usage summaries and recent apps. This is where you begin controlling background activity. You'll act on app-level settings next, so make sure to keep this screen visible while we identify offenders and adjust their background permissions. You now identify apps that drain battery in the background by tapping battery usage and expanding the list of top consumers. For each app, tap it, open background usage, and set restrict when it doesn't need to run all the time. Do this for social apps and games that rarely need push. Then add true offenders to sleeping apps or deep sleeping apps to prevent them from waking the device. Once done, these layers reduce background CPU, network use, and unnecessary wake locks. You finish by enabling adaptive battery and turning on limit background activity to let the system optimize automatically. These settings reduce power to rarely used apps over time. Restart the device to apply changes and monitor battery stats for the next day or two to confirm improvement. If battery drain continues, make sure to update or uninstall the offending app, clear its cache, and double-check it's not exempted from battery optimization. If problems persist, perform one final restart and recheck the usage screen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.